Hello. Uh, you caught me getting a font. So, if you remember the texture pack I used in Minecraft designing that map and which one I usually use, it's actually called Sphax Pure BD Craft. Oh, there we go. Oh, spelt incorrectly, but you get the idea. bdcraft.net. And you can download this texture pack in many different resolutions. That is to say, you can download really detailed textures or coarser textures that will run faster on your machine. At the moment, I'm running the lowest resolution because my machine's just really slow. But this is a cool texture pack, and I want to design more. I want to design some images for those tutorials, for the Minecraft tutorials that fit in with this texture pack, screenshots of it, and with font descriptions that match this font. And someone suggested, not in chat, but in just in general, yes, yes, I got them. Yes, Mable. I have no idea how to pronounce that. I hope I'm not messing it up. But yes, I got the Arduino bus working. It's pretty cool. I was showing it off just before the break, actually. It was a lot of fun. Anyway, someone suggested, not in chat but on a forum, that this font was really close to the pure BD Craft font. So I downloaded it and I've got it installed. And what I actually wanted to do after a brief intermission, well, not an actual intermission, but the kind of intermission you'll understand in a minute, is I wanted to. I can't tell you what the problem was. It just started working. I had problems a couple days ago getting the Firmata stuff working, and I just tried again yesterday, and it works. But I think it's related to the number of devices I had plugged in to begin with. I think if I plugged just the Arduino in and then all the other USB hub stuff in, it'll work. But I hadn't done that. I did it the other way around. So I think maybe that's the problem. I don't know. Let me hide chat. Okay, this is the Twitch dashboard, by the way. And the reason I'm here, I actually didn't want to go here. I wanted to go to the channel. Will this work if I do this? It'll probably start a video within a video, and the Inception sound will play. So let me pause this as quick as possible. Yeah, it was so weird. Like it was so frustrating, and neither of the drivers would work. And I tried many variations of stuff. Yesterday, I just sat in bed and had nothing else plugged in but the Arduino, and it worked. So I don't know, something like that. Let me mute this. I hope this thing doesn't actually play. But what's this about? New search, great, thank you. So I wanted to explain something to begin with, and then do some like meta stuff, like theme this a little bit like Minecraft. That's what I want to do. But there's the scary thing at the bottom of this page, and I need to address it quickly. There are only 3 people watching right now, so I don't feel like it's going to be that scary. But anyway, I added a donate button, and I want to explain what this donate button is. If you're watching this live, thank you for still being here. If you're watching this in YouTube, it's going to be in descriptions in YouTube as well. The reason I added a donate button is that I am not a Twitch partner. I have no way of financially backing the stream or the time I invest in demonstrating programming or doing any of these creative things or even speaking at conferences. It's just all a money sink for me. And that's fine. And I've been doing that for years, and I will continue to do that whether or not anyone ever uses this donate button. But I would like over time to improve the quality of the stream, including the equipment that I'm using, because at the moment it's like, oh, I've just unplugged my monitor, I think it is. Yeah, I've just unplugged my monitor. Okay, I can't even show it to you because it's on such a cruddy little cable, but I have like the best piece of equipment I have is a mic. I'm using a MacBook Pro, which is incredibly slow to do the streaming on. I've got like secondhand lights. I've got like a little webcam for the hardware stuff, and I'm using an iPad for timing. All of this stuff is borrowed or bought with my own money, and I'm happy to do that, and I've been happy to do the stream. But and the stream will always be free to watch and to contribute into and to chat into. That's like super important for me. But if you want to help make the stream better over time, that's what the donate button's there for. I absolutely don't want you to donate if you don't have a lot of money, or you're not sure whether you like the channel or not, or you're just hanging around here because there's nothing better on watching. That's fine, and you can do all of that. And I don't need or want you to donate if it's at all a stress or a pressure to you. But if you have some money that you're not doing anything else with, and you want to help me to make the stream better for you and to keep the stream going for years and years and years and years, then that's a way that you can do it. So I just wanted to explain that there's no pressure for anyone to do any donations, but if you want to, and some people have asked how they can, that's a way, and it'll probably be the only way you can ever put money into the stream, which includes all the YouTube videos and the tutorials that come out and all that kind of thing. So anyway, long scary chat over, and I hope I haven't bored you to death or scared you away. What I want to do is I want to have different titles for this. I thought it would be fun to make titles that are Minecraft themed. So I'm gonna try and close some apps up. No, that's fine. Look, I you know, the idea is not to scare you away or to try and like fleece all the money from the people watching. And I'm not doing this for money, obviously, because it is absolutely the worst way to make money as a profession. Like, it's time consuming and low pay, which is absolutely fine. But I enjoy doing it, and if you're keen, that's how you can help. So I'm gonna close some apps, and then I'm gonna open Minecraft again, because I want to take some screenshots of Minecraft, and I think Minecraft animals would be fun to do. So let me make this all big. Oh, it's the launcher. I realized I also muted the sounds in Minecraft, so that was really quiet just now. But I'll unmute them now so that it's easier to hear. There are some podcasts that make really much money only from donations. Yeah, but I mean, it's usually folks that have been around for a very, very long time, and it's their business. This is not my business. It's not my only income, and that's part of the reason I can say, please don't donate at all if it stresses you out. Don't even worry about it, and the content will always be free because I have a job that I go to, right? It'd just be nice if you want to help, for you to have a way to do it, and it's always nice to feel appreciated. So the thing that I wanted to do is animals. I don't know if I want to do this as survival or creative. Allow cheats on, structures off, bonus chests off. I want to enter creative mode, and I want to drop creature spawners, or not creature spawners, but creature eggs, and take screenshots of them, and then overlay text on top of them to say what each of the blocks are for. So like blog and Twitter and archive and donate. I want to have those 4 blocks to begin with. So I've got to find 4 creatures I like and 4 settings I like, and take screenshots, and then put the text over, which I'll do in Pixelmator, which is a very nice piece of art software for Mac. I don't think it's supported by Windows. Oh, thank you. I appreciate you too. Maybe. I still don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Could you tell me? Could you spell it phonetically in chat, please? Okay, let's start off with time set 0. So it's morning, and this is gonna be really slow. Game mode C. So now I can fly. Okay, great. So let's I'll tell you what we do. What we really do. Let's get a egg. What is this? Miscellaneous. Let's get an egg and spawn a... What is a shulker? That's interesting. Mushroom. Ooh, chicken. A mushroom. Oh, sweet. Okay, let's spawn this cow. There we go. Okay. Function Alt F1. Whoa! I enabled dictation somehow. Anyway. And then I have a key bound for this, but I don't want to get that grass in the shot. Mushroom. Stop walking up the hill. Stop walking up the... Look at me. Look at me. Mushroom. There we go. I got a screenshot. Okay, so that should be in, if you're on Mac, it'll be in library, your user library, that is. Application support, Minecraft, and screenshots. I'll drag this folder over here so we can see it. Ooh, there's another screenshot I was making earlier. So this is mushroom. Okay, I can trim that. I can work with that. Mushroom. So let's put that on the desktop. Okay, minimize that. What else do we want to do? Let's go to a different biome. Oh, there's a horse. Ooh, there's a sheep. Sheeple. Oh, I got you in a screenshot. There we go. Sheep. So that's 2. And we'll crop these so that they are nicely arranged. It wasn't really a different biome. It was just slightly different topography, I guess. Whoa, the lag load. The lag load. It might actually be fun to play Minecraft for Minecraft's sake. One of these days. Just to be like, hey guys, I'm playing Minecraft. What should we spawn here? A horse. Let's do a horse, because an ocelot will run the funk away from us. Hello, little donkey. Donkey. Stop looking at me. No, I actually got grass in that shot, and I don't want grass. There's also these leaves that are just floating, because it hasn't loaded in. Ooh. I don't know about that grass. Okay, let me just try and load some more of this in so I have less blue space just floating around. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, I really appreciate you watching, you being here while I stream, and even just like following and talking in chat is amazing, because it you know, keeps me motivated and thinking that there are actually people hanging around, which is really cool. I like that. It excites me to keep on making stuff. Donkey. And then there's one more I need, and I think it's going to be a chicken. Let's get a desert biome. Ooh, there's a bit of desert sand. Yeah, I have a very low draw distance on here, because this game is Java based and it takes a lot of memory to run. Let me just get the chat up because I've put another window in front of it. It takes a lot of memory to run this Java-based monstrosity, and maybe I should do an octopus. Nah. Takes a lot of memory to run this Java-based monstrosity, and it's very slow, especially transcoding on a MacBook. That is not good. Transcoding on a MacBook is terabad. Terabad? So some desert biome, but not a whole lot. Maybe something like this. Maybe something like this. Chicken. Chicken. That is in slot 3. Let's place that down. Chicken, look at me. Yes. Okay, great. That's them. With any luck? Yes. Chicken. Holy moly. Delete these. Okay. Now, let's get a drawing app, which I will access from another screen. Again, I didn't put the sounds on. Oh my gosh, this is going to be like the worst, the worst quality stream ever. Because it's all very quiet. All very quiet. Okay, this is Pixelmator. I have toolbars on a different screen because apparently I need them on a different screen. And I need to, I guess, change the image size a little bit. 1280, not exactly 720 because the chrome around the window. Also, I can't. Okay, there we go. Couldn't see if I was pulling a funny face or not. Okay, so what are the widths that we need to work towards? Inspect is a developer's best friend. What's the width? 320 by 120. 320 by 120. Okay, if I make that double size, 640, then I need to crop it by 120. So I can actually do a crop window like this. 320 by, what is it, 120? I have the worst memory. Probably why I became a developer, so that other things could remember for me. It's clipping to center, that's why it's doing this. I put guides on because I needed to align stuff. 320 by 120, okay. So I can do that. This will clip it to center, and this should be fine. Donkey! There we go. Let's put some text over this. What do we want this one to be called? We have archive. I guess you could say that this is the storage place for assets. Never mind. Okay, the thing is comic book, I think the name of the font is. Comic book. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. What color can we give this? Black? White with a shadow. Where are the text palettes for this? Show info bar, show effects. No, it's not effects. It's styles. View styles. Dun dun da da. Have a shadow. That's still not the right color, is it? Maybe we need to do an eyedropper for the color of these. No, that is very difficult to see. The color of the grass. No, very difficult to see. Whatever shall we do? Does this stand out enough? I mean, maybe I need to not do a shadow, but do a stroke. That's a bit better. So the color is black. You can't see the color selector from what I've got here. The color is black. The fill is just the color of the font. Is that clear enough? It's difficult to tell. Sort of a thicker stroke makes it a little uglier though. Style outside. So that's cool. I sort of like that. What do you think? What do you think, chat? What's this like? Maybe we should change from archive to YouTube. YouTube. And let's just make sure that it is totally centered. What do you think of that? I think that's cool. I like that. So white text, a black outside border of 2 pixels, black outside stroke, sorry, of 2 pixels, on top of a 320 by 120 export. I think that looks cool. In fact, actually, I think this should be slightly towards the bottom. Cool. I like it. Export that jank. PNG is fine. I'll put that on the desktop. Desktop. Don't see all my files. YouTube. Fine. And I'll save it as YouTube. Cool. Let us edit these panels. So instead of this archive, it's now going to be YouTube. Yes. What does that look like? That looks pretty cool. I think that looks pretty cool. I want to remove this that horizontal rule there and put this off and see if I can just get the... That didn't exactly work. Just want to keep that one line in the middle there. Yeah, I think that looks great. What do you think? Tell me, chat, tell me. Is there markdown support for centering? Because I think that will look even better. Even better. Lists, ordered lists. It's not really a lot to go by, is it? Quote, horizontal rule, line breaks. Line breaks. Links, meh. Not that much. It's fine. I think it's fine. Okay, so there we go. There's the first one done. Let's open up another one. Mushroom. Bum, 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 bum. And this will be blog. So following on from what we did last time, let's just half this. We'll just go to 640. So it's double the width of what we need, and we can have a block that is 120 by 320, 320, 320. Sigh. 320 and 120. There we go. Okay. Let's have the mushroom sort of in the middle, like so. And we can zoom. We can zoom to actual size, and this will be blog. Okay. Stroke of a color. It's 2 pixels, and it is on the outside. That did not work at all. Did it? Oh, it did. Why does it look like it didn't work? It's probably because it's a darker background, I'm guessing. So there we go. Blog. There's a mushroom. YouTube, blog, Twitter, donations, blog. It's the same style. I think it's good. I like it. Export. There we go. Blog. To remember what it is properly and save this as blog. Here we go. Okay then. I'm going to do these one by one because I'm having a lot of fun doing it. And it's great to not be doing code all the time for once. Not that I don't like writing code, but it's a nice change. It's a nice change. Okay. YouTube, blog. There we go. People are going to think this is really just a Minecraft stream. It's not really just a Minecraft stream. It's a lot of fun, but it's not really just a Minecraft stream. You know what I didn't check before? I didn't check that this was actually working. So the stream might have cut out. I usually like to check if the stream is live on like a separate device, and I didn't check that. So maybe I'm just talking to no one, which is why chat's being so quiet. Maybe that's the case. Maybe it's just because chat is generally quiet because there are 3 people on a busy day. But that's fine because I do this because I love it. 3, 320. Come on, come on. Don't make me drag forever. I'm no good in drag. There we go. Mr. Sheep. Oh, thank you very much. It is exceedingly good to hear DJ Echo or DJekyll. I have never really understood either way, but I hope I pronounced it correctly. Thank you for letting me know the stream's still live, because I worry about these things. Twitter's actually a funny one for a sheep, because it's like I'm insinuating people on Twitter are just sheep, which is not really the case for a lot of people, but is the case for a lot of other people, and maybe some people will take offense at me thinking or saying that, and I hope not. I'm sorry if you took offense by that, but it is oftentimes... Ooh, center. I remembered something. Outside. Yeah. It is oftentimes true. It is just oftentimes true. People on Twitter can be sheep. And retweet and like the worst things. With the exception of everyone who watches the stream, because everyone who watches the stream is fantastic and attentive and brilliant. Twitter! I'm also a massive suck up, so... well... Submit. Panels off. That looks so good. I like how that looks. I am not a designer. Look, I am not a designer. I have never been a designer. I have no eye for design. But to me, that looks quite okay. Quite okay. Yeah, you're not a sheep. I can see through that. And last but definitely not least, the noble and mighty Faulus Cluckus, which is not actually the Latin name. Please don't put that down in your Latin test. I accept no responsibility for my poor pretend educational advice to you. There's a chicken, slightly off center. There's some water with it. This is looking great. Okay, that's great. What's the text we want to do? Donation! Once again, I feel obligated to say no one should feel obligated to donate. And I guess I'm treating this a bit like a chicken, because I'm so scared of what people think about it. But that's not the point. The point is to be happy with what I do, which I am exceedingly happy with the stream and with the people, the few, dedicated few. Don't Asian. Yes. The mixed message. With the dedicated few who are here, donation exactly the same typo. It's very interesting. Who watch and who chat, it is really, really fantastic that you are here. Donation... Yes. Okay, so all the other things have links, which is good. Okay. If you want to help make the stream better, there is what you can do. The stream will always be free to watch and chat in. Watch, ask questions and Oxford comma and chat in. But if you have some money, just lying around, feel free to donate. Even put your name here. There we go. I feel really happy about that. What's that look like? YouTube, blog, Twitter, donation. Donations, donate. YouTube, blog, Twitter, donation. Whatever. Support. Support! That's a better one. I'm actually going to change that to support. Support. Forget calling it a different file name, because it is still the donation button. But I think this better expresses what the purpose of it is. Support. Yes. And to read this back to me, I'll actually submit it and put editing off and read it back. If you want to help make the stream better, here is what you can do. The stream will always be free to watch, ask questions, and chat in. But if you have some money, just, lying around, feel free to donate. I'll even put your name here. Okay, I think this looks good. And if I have more buttons, I can do it with the same theme, which is really cool. I think with that and with the really exciting Arduino Minecraft stuff I recapped and managed over the last few dailies, I am going to call it. So thank you very much, especially DJ Echo and Meble, for hanging around and for following and for being so communicative. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate everyone watching, whether it's here, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's just reading through SitePoint or other blogs. Thank you very much. And good night. Goodbye. I love you all, and I'll see you next time.